How to monitor gesture AI. Run the gesture software you created to check the accuracy of the actual AI. Turn on the Enable Monitoring button to start. The AI judges the waveform and displays an icon when it recognizes it as a gesture. The probability of the gesture is also displayed as a percentage in the score column. Check the behavior and accuracy of the AI you created. If the gesture recognition threshold is not met, the blue hyphen icon will be displayed. With the touch of a button, you can add that waveform to the training data for the correct gesture. Select the correct gesture name and press the Add to Gesture Data button. By repeating this operation, you can improve the training data for AI. After improving the data for AI, please perform AI training and see source output again.